Open the locking handle. Activate the flush valve and depressurize the system. Remove the exhausted filter cartridge from the filter head. The hoses can be connected. When the locking handle is open, the water supply to the cartridge is interrupted and short-circuit operation with direct water flow from the water inlet to the water outlet is possible. Remove the protective cap. Insert the filter cartridge vertically in the filter head. Please use the protective cap to lock the exhausted cartridge. Note the next exchange date in the date field on the filter cartridge. The purity filter cartridge is exhausted after reaching the capacity stated by the information supplied by the machine manufacturer, or at least 12 months, depending on which occurs first. Carry out a reset of the flow meter by pushing the reset button for 4 seconds. Flush the filter system until the filtered water runs clear and without bubbles. Purity C is ready for operation.